Hello there everyone, it's me the Knologist. I'm going to do another Leetcode today. This is called add digits. Notice that this says given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. Okay, so add it repeatedly. So for example, 38. Constraints. Okay, so it's just gonna be a while loop. So first if num is less than 10, return num. So that's because it says here the constraint is 0 to 2 to 31 minus 1. So that means anything underneath 10 is automatically one digit, so just return it as it is. Second, while num is less than 10, not less than 10, keep doing this. So what I want to do is I want to take num num to str, so num to string. Once we have num to string, I want it to be str num. Let's go to Python Playground, confirm that. So x equals 5. Print str num. Can we even add that? So let's say, can I add, so let's say x equals 5, y equals t. Doesn't work, right? So then if I go str t. Okay, so that's when you turn it into a thing. So basically what I'm going to do here is num turn to a string. Total equals 0, and then for I in num to str, because when you do a string is already basically a list. So when you go num, so string at 0 is the first, string at 1 is the second, string at 2, it's a 0 indexed list already. So you don't have to do anything. So for I in num str, tote plus equals int num to str, and then when it breaks out of this while loop, when it finally does, without any loop recursion in O of 1 runtime. O of 1 without any loop or recursion. Fuck that. So let's just do it this way. While not num to str, just turn it to a string, total, get the total, and then total num equals the total. So basically I add all these numbers up individually of the string. So let's say it's 1, 2, 3 is the string, right? Now I turn this into a string, so now it's string 1, 2, 3. What the loop does is it's gonna go total, it goes int num to str at I. So I is the first item, total plus equals int, so it's going to be plus equals 1, and then I'm going to add 2, then I'm going to add 3, then I'm going to make num the total, which is 6. So then when we go here, boom, 6 is not less than, so while not less than 10, 6 is less than 10, so it's going to break out, and then I just return the final value, return num. There we go, boom. Oh, because you know why? It's O of n squared. Well, it's still going to be not that, so it's just going to go again. Add all numbers, because it's going to be O of n. This isn't going to be O of n squared, because it just checks. It's not running through all the elements. This is just a conditional check. Why don't I do this? While num is greater than 9. Oh, you know why it exceeded? It's because I have to actually no, but it resets every loop, because every loop it converts the num to a string. Total becomes 0. Total accumulates. Num is the new total. Boom. Now num is a good thing. If num is less than 10, return it instantly. While num is greater than 9, I could just turn it into an if statement. Repeatedly add all its digits. It's not syntactically incorrect. "38 is greater than 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. Let's do this in range. Maybe it is a syntactical thing. That's why. Because I had for I and it's num_str, so it kept going forever. That way, now that it is the range, it should fix it. Boom, done. Dude, I'm just solving my own problems as I go. You see, like, sometimes just a little check. So what I did wrong was I went I as an iterator, but I was just supposed to go through each letter. So I'm supposed to look at it as an item. So for example, I went like this, or letter, or number in num2str. Int letter, because I'm treating the string as an array, so it's letter 1, letter 2, letter 3, right? I'm not looking at indexes 0, 1, 2. Then I'd have to go array at 0, array at 1. I'm not doing that right now. I'm just looking directly at the letters, so using this syntax here. Just look at the string. Oh, letter, number. There we go. Boom, done. And then submit. Boom. It beats 16.65%. So yeah, I just say if it's less than 10, it's already one digit. Boom, done. If it's greater than 9, so that means it's a double digit, so it's 10 and above. Change it to a string. Go through each letter in the string and just add it. Turn it into an integer and add it. So if it's like 1, 2, 3 is string. 1, add 2, add 3. Boom. Number equals a new total, which is 6, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Then I go again. While num is greater than 9, 6 is less than 9, so I don't go into this while loop. Return 6, done. So I submitted it, so we passed. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Knologist out.